Continue to follow a weather alert for you here on CBS 4 this morning. A live look from our CBS 4 library cam of the downtown metro area. Yeah, hard to see because we got those big fat flakes coming down. And Chris, unfortunately, we had that freezing rain and drizzle that laid down a layer of ice. It is slick out there.
I went to bed at 9 o'clock last night and was starting to see freezing drizzle reports on the west side of town. Some of you had freezing drizzle for up to 5 hours. And that layer of ice under the snow, not a good combination. There is still snow on our western slope. The mountains, you look empty. There is some snow out there. It's just the combination of radar and the high terrain, not a good mix with light snow. This is the action, though. Northeastern Colorado will be the bullseye for the rest of today. Look at all of this purple from roughly Denver out to the east, along and south of I-70 and 76, and then into the southwestern foothills. This is where we will see the highest totals. It is snowing in northern Colorado, and you see a few bursts come from time to time. Fort Collins, Greeley, Loveland, even up into Cheyenne, we have some snow. But by far, the further south you get, it gets heavier, and that's a function of wind. We'll show you that here in just a second. Pretty good snow now from Thornton through downtown Aurora and out on the I-76 corridor. Pockets of snow right against our foothills from Golden on down through about Ken Carroll as well. 7 inches from our weather watcher Robert Smith in Georgetown. 6 inches down the road in Evergreen from Luke Dolsky, and Edie, our weather watcher in Highlands Ranch, just checked in with 3.3 inches of snow. Everybody's at or below freezing. We will stay here today. Too much cloud cover around. That will hold the temperatures pretty steady through your afternoon, so you're almost looking at the daytime highs. Low pressure now starting to set up in southwest Kansas, and this, now that it's over the Rockies, it's free to go. So it will really start to intensify in the time as we go through the rest of today. And as that happens, those strong winds come on the backside, creating those blizzard conditions on the eastern plains. It'll be a very tough afternoon and evening for travel east of Denver, if not impossible at times. Here's Futurecast. The snow continues off and on in the high country, but the bulk on the eastern plains of Colorado, and we will see just waves of snow off and on through the afternoon. It'll start to clear from north to south about mid to late afternoon. So Fort Collins, Greeley, Loveland, you clear first. It will linger from Denver and points to the east as that low pressure starts to pull away. By about noon, or excuse me, 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, we should be mostly finished with all the precipitation. Wind becomes an issue. We're starting to see these gusts out on the plains. They will increase as we go through the day. Also occasional wind in the metro area, and that will increase as well. Lighter totals in the high country, just a few more inches. The action is here on the northeastern plains. Greeley, Fort Collins, Loveland, mostly in that 2 to 5 inch range, 3 to 7 across Denver. It's heavier south side of metro Denver, southern foothills, and out here onto the plains. See this white line I drew for you? That is the bullseye. So the further away from that you live, the lighter your totals will be. We do anticipate some tough travel today in that blizzard warning. Highs really going nowhere due to the cloud cover. We're pretty much where we're at for the daytime highs, and then we will slowly start to fall as clearing takes place overnight tonight. Joel, this was a fast storm, in and out. Tomorrow, plenty of sunshine. There will be some lingering wind, probably some morning travel problems, a little residual issue there, but it's a quick warming trend and a lot of sunshine for the week ahead.